for today, I would like to demo how to use MIG welding for beginner. Okay, for first, the most important, before you do MIG welding, you need complete all the PPE before you weld. Okay, for PPE, this one, use welding helmet, glove, and welding jacket. Important, welding jacket. So another one, safety shoes. Okay, for MIG welding, this one, two equipment important for run MIG welding. So MIG welding, we need use CO2 gas. Then this one, device for MIG welding. To open, rotate counterclockwise, and to close, rotate clockwise rotation. Next, check pressure gauge to confirm gas is open. Then adjust regulator until 20 psi. Now we go to MIG device. From here you can see the switch. Turn on the switch. After turn on, you can see display at the device. This indicator, you can choose MIG or arc welding. For the display, show the wire feed. From here, we can set the wire feed. Normally, we set around 3 mm to 4 mm per minute. For next display, show the voltage. We can set, use this knob, and normal set for steel 2 mm or 3 mm steel, we use around 80. Now we go to welding torch. From here you can see torch switch and wire come out from here. When you push red button, you can see electrode come out from here. And make sure before welding, wire in short position. You can cut, use cutter plier. This is normal tool we use during welding process. We have L square, cutter plier, chipping hammer, and wire brush. For L square, use for check dimension and angle during welding process. For cutter plier, use for cut wire to make sure wire short before start welding process. If you see the welding filler extended too long from nozzle, use caterpillar to shorten it. Chipping hammer used for remove the welding slug. And wire brush for clean welding area. Now let's move on the welding process. Before start welding, make sure you are wearing all your personal protective equipment, such as a welding helmet, glove, and welding jacket. Okay, first adjust the angle of the torch to around 45 to 60 degrees and adjust your body position until you can see the wire filler. When you are ready to start, place the torch in the place and press the red button. For the good weld, try to keep the torch close to the material and move it slowly. Make sure consistent when moving the torch. Remember, before you start welding again, if you see the wire filler extend too long, please cut the plier. Okay guys, if you like my video, please follow for the next video. For the next video, I will show you how to use MIG for joining process or MIG process.